Watch this wedding day vlog.
First time I saw you smile across the room, my feet moved forward, couldn't help but groove. Something in the way you swayed that night made me believe that timing was right. Spinning faster with each passing day, holding closer, letting music play. Moving forward, never looking back, following this perfect track. Everything on my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Remember Paris in the pouring rain, we kept on dancing, didn't mind the rain. Through the seasons, through the passing years, every moment brought us here. Time is moving like a perfect song, two hearts beating, can't go wrong. Feel the rhythm of this special day as the music starts to play. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. From that first slow dance to this precious chance, all the world standing still as our hearts fulfill. Beat of my heart